What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Greedo's Goldmine, your most bipolar toy show on all the interwebs. So we got a sort of special surprise one. Never actually planned on getting these, but one of the things we do collect in the background are Nintendo things. So whether that be old school Mario, the actual games from Super Nintendo, etc., figures from the movies these days because my kiddos really love it. That was one that they found on their own and came to me about and kind of re-sparked the interest in. We have some Mario stuff is the point I'm getting at. And so they had the whole movie figure wave, and unfortunately in this thing called life, separations, etc., those figures, unfortunately, are no longer with us. So every time they come over, they keep asking me about the Mario figures. And it's like, kids, you took them the other way and they never returned. Okay, whatever. We'll fix this problem. And so, Amazon Deals Day, really good pricing. I couldn't pass it, honestly. And, found myself buying a couple, not the movie wave again, of course, because I felt that would be a little excessive, but the 4-inch scale Jakks Pacfic Super Mario World figurines. So, we had to cover at least the 4 characters that were gone. And the way I saw that was best is Amazon had this really good deal where basically for the price of a single figure, you would get these 2 packs. And so we'll start today with Yoshi and Toad and see what's inside, what it's all about, and we'll grab some tools here to open these because I don't think I actually even cracked the tape on them yet. But yeah, we figured, that way when the kids come over on the weekends and they want to play Mario, make their displays, we at least have the range of characters again to go with them, considering Bowser had to stay. That was mine, so I share that with them, but that wasn't going anywhere, nor was Donkey Kong. So we have 2, but we needed the rest of the characters, as I had said. So without further ado, let's check out what we've got inside here. So it's just a box from Amazon, and we've got, 2 figures in baggies. So one is Toad, and Toad's articulation is literally that. His arms move up and down, side to side. His head goes side to side. Otherwise, he just stands there. And he comes with the question mark block. We also have our friend the green dinosaur Yoshi here. And Yoshi has some ankle swivel. He moves at the hips. He's got the shoulder articulation, wrist articulation, and his head moves side to side. He's also got toe articulation up and down, so you can make him look like he's running. So that's pretty cool. And Yoshi just comes with his egg. And that is literally the whole set. Toad and Yoshi. Cool little figurines we could put on our Nintendo shelf. The kids will be happy because they have their characters again with a couple extras that weren't there before for even less than we paid for the original set. So you can't beat that. And they scale really well with other series, quite honestly, which you could imagine from a Nintendo saga. So yeah, I am extremely happy with these guys. And so with that, we're going to end this short little review and just kind of surprise pop in. We hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. It helps our channel grow. It helps us keep engaged with you. It's always a lot of fun as well. Just keep it nice, keep it, kind, constructive criticism, always welcome. And until the next one, wherever you're at, we hope you're having a great weekend. End to the weekend and great start to the week, I suppose. And we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks as always for tuning in, folks.